tie the Blae Black. This is one of the flies into a balloons book, tying in the Irish style. Now the hook and device is a Kamasan B175 in size 10. It's going to use a uni thread 801 black to tie the fly, but you use whatever thread and hook that you like. Now I'm just going to run the thread on just in close touching turns, just until my thread's past the point of the hook. The tail, you're just looking some golden pheasant tippet fibres. Now how I get these straight as I can is just take the feather and put it through my finger and thumb, and then just come in and clip away a few fibres off of these up to the hook. That just gets your tips to line up for you. Just offer these up to the hook, the length of tail that you like. Just come around with a pinch and loop, and then I'm just going to work the thread down the shank of the hook, catching in the fibres. Right, the worst thing you could ever do with, don't ever pull them 90 degrees from the stem. You can see there, the black bars, nothing marries up. You just keep everything straight and put it through. It'll keep the feather straight for you. The rib on the fly is a oval silver tinsel. Now, sometimes I like to use the uni mailer, and silver and gold in size 16 for the rib, just to give it a bit of a broader rib on the fly. Now just work the thread back down nice and tight. Then we're going to come in with our body material, which is uni floss and black. This body can also be dubbed black. Black seals for SLAF, hers ear dyed black. Anything black you've got, guys, this will work. So we'll just catch that in, just making the body nice and smooth to take our floss. Then just come up with your floss, just in overlapping turns, to create a nice body on the fly. Following this around with your thread. Then what I want to do is take my thread down about 2 mil and fold the floss back. So I'll just give it a wee bit of added protection. Then you can come up with your oval silver tinsel, 4 or 5 turns up the body to protect the floss. Work the thread down to the eye of the hook, just to make sure it's all well secured in. And then work our thread back up for our hackle. Now the hackle is just a Indian hen cape that has been dyed black. You can use a cock hackle if you wish. It's up to you. I'm really only going to do a turn and a half of this. Should be more than enough for the fly. Just put another half a turn in and then catch it off in underneath. Nice and tight with the thread now, just working it down to the eye of the hook and break away the stem, and then just work our thread back up again. Now the wing, you're looking duck quill, just a natural duck quill, a right and a left. Just got 2 slips off here, so just get these, just offer them up. Just get them lined up the best that you can, guys. This will go out of shape once you start to cast the fly. So that's our right and our left. The length, yeah, you want it. Well, I want it less the length of the tail. The back, just want to push the fibres on top down a wee bit. Just want to try and get these wing slips as close as I can, as low as I can. No, staffing them up to the length that you like. Just come around with a pinch and loop. I cut a couple of fibres there, just forget about those. They're not going to cause us any problems. Just going to check the length of the wing here on my side. Just have a wee check, see how everything's sitting. Right, happy enough with that, so I'm just going to hold the wing. More 3 or 4 turns just to tighten up. Then just come in, lift the duck quill, trim that away. These wee fibres here, just come in and fold them back, bring your thread to the eye of the hook, just to come up over the cut ends of the duck quill. Now a great wing on this fly, I've tied it like that before too, is white swan. Yet again, you'll need a right and a left. Right, just come in with our whip finishing tool. Just put a wee bit of shape into the head here with a whip finish. Pull the thread tight. Just come in, trim away your tying thread. Now, get a wee look at the fly. That's nice. That's a nice fishing fly, nothing wrong with that. First coat onto the head. We drop a super glue. I think I've done this fly for the channel before, but just thought I would do it again. I don't like really regurgitating flies, and I would find that boring myself. Now, just come in, just take away your excess glue from the eye of the hook, and just make sure it's nice and clean. There you go, guys. That's the Blae Black. Like I say, nice tied with a broader rib, and sometimes I tie them like that with this. It's quite good. So there you go, guys, the Blae Black. That's another one knocked out of the Dave Malone's book, tying in the Irish style. As always, thanks for taking the time to view the video, greatly appreciate it, and all being well, I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks, bye.